Mix the rice with the chicken and make a delicious lunch. I've got 2 pieces of chicken breast here. And let's slice it like this to the thickness of a finger and tell me where you watch our recipes from, because I want to send you a big hug. Then cut the chicken into smaller cubes and set aside. Now add oil to a frying pan. 3 crushed garlic cloves. Then add a chopped onion and let it fry for 2 minutes. Once this time has elapsed, we can add a cup of chopped red peppers, a cup of chopped green bell pepper. Let it fry for another 3 minutes and keep stirring in the meantime. Now add the chicken. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of oregano. Leave to fry for 15 minutes. And while you're at it, stir from time to time. After this time, add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce and continue stirring. Then add a cup of rice. And now let's mix. Let the rice fry for 3 minutes. And after that time, we can add the water. I added 700 ml of water. Stir again. And then just put the lid on and let it cook until the water is almost gone. Now the time has passed and look how delicious it is. Now add chopped spring onions and the amount to taste. Let's mix it up a bit. And add more chopped chives on top. And this delicious rice is ready to be served. Look at this mouth-watering wonder. My loves, this rice is perfect. If only you could taste it. Make it at your house, everyone will love it. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it. And until the next video, bye-bye.